What's up guys, Kanye FX here. Let's quickly talk about what we're going to be expecting this week in the forex market. You can see most of our targets last week were smashed. We see this high that we're expecting markets to take. Market took it, created another high over here and eventually took that out. But overall we couldn't see a sweep over this high. Market did not come back to a sweep from that high. One thing I also mentioned last week was the fact that after market took this high, we should expect some kind of reversal over here, which eventually on the 1 hour we can see that happened last week. We're going to be using that as our main point of view for analysis for this coming week. What do we do and how do we confirm that we might continue going in that direction? So take a look at this. You see last week market created a new high and it eventually took it out because last week we were bullish. So market is going to be seeking to take out old highs, which eventually happened. Market created a new one and took it out eventually. So what happened after this high was taken out? We'll go down to the 1 hour time frame as usual. Now let's take a look at this. This was that daily high which market took out. After that happened, what are we expecting? We're expecting reaction. And over here we can see market structure which was broken. You see market created higher high and then took out this previous higher low. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that market had shifted structure and same thing happened on the 4 hour time frame. We can see after market took out this high, the price broke structure to the downside. And so now for this coming week, we're going to be bearish. One other thing we want to take into consideration is the fact that price is still kind of bullish. When I say price is kind of bullish, I mean the fact that on the daily time frame, market had not broken below this low. So if we're looking for a long-term bearish market, we're going to be expecting price to take this out and body close below this low. Another evidence is the fact that no candle closed above this high. We can still see a possibility of bullishness. One thing to confirm that is a change of market structure as always. And on the 1 hour time frame, we're going to be expecting that change of structure to occur at this high. So we're going to be expecting markets to either do this and then break above this high, causing a market structure shift, or we can just anticipate market to continue going bearish. But for now, we are currently bearish on both the 4 hour time frame and the 1 hour time frame. And one thing we can continue doing is we can continue selling from zones like this. And this is a bearish order block over here. We can see it hasn't been tested yet. This is the last bullish candle before an impulsive bearish move. So we can expect markets to come back into this zone, test it, and keep going bearish. But if the market wants to keep going bullish, we're going to expect it to make a reaction from this daily bullish order block. On the daily time frame, when I say this bullish order block is still active, it's active in the sense that the last time price came into this bullish order block zone, markets did not successfully close above the previous high with a candlestick body. So we can also anticipate that, but the most logical direction we can be aiming for price to go is bearish for now until markets proves itself on the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. I do hope you have a great trading week ahead. Stay safe and God bless.